Sweeping outside, you get the broom. Clearing the garden, you grab the rake. Cleaning your windows, you use the squeegee. Put them all away and there's just no room. What if you had one tool that could do it all? Well, now you do with Garden Gorilla, the compact cleaning system. With 3 superior quick-release head attachments that makes cleaning the whole house easy and packs away in no more space than a broom. Use the wave head to sweep the mess in one swipe. Perfect for steps, decking, pavers, turf and more. The secret's in the thousands of thick and flexible curved bristles that, unlike a regular broom, create a wall of sweeping power. Clean the driveway of dangerous tyre hazards fast. Plus, its wide-angled sides get into corners where other brooms can't. Switch to the sweep and swipe and you can use it wet, use it dry, indoors or out. Remove pet hair, fluff and dust from the furniture, carpet and rugs. Cleans mud and moss off the tiles and flip it over and it becomes a squeegee, perfect for street-free windows. And forget old rakes that bend, snap and leave the mess behind. The Tough Rake features 21 reinforced fingers. It's so tough, even running over it with a car, it doesn't bend or break. No matter the job, with the Tough Rake you can blast through your garden with ease. Plus, thanks to the extendable pole, nothing's out of reach.